Incremental readings. So in case you have multiple collections in Supermemo and you want to use a different theme for each one, there's one theme you cannot use, and it's the Windows. So in this case, I'm using Windows 10. Let me change it to a dark theme. Okay, so now my collection uses a dark theme. Now I choose the no name. Hey, how come it's using the same theme? If I go to Windows and theme, hey, that was not the case. So let me create yet another collection. No name 2. Okay, in this case, gets the theme. Now I select Windows. Nice. So remember, no name 2 has Windows. I go back to the no name. Now I have this, the dark theme, the caracal. Then I go back to the no name 2, and whoops, where's my Windows theme? It's gone. Becomes caracal dark slate. This is because when you use the theme called Windows, it's bugged, and because it's like the placeholder. If you remember, when you create your first, when you open a collection for the first time, it will have this theme. If you open a collection older than Supermemo 718, like could be Supermemo 17, which had no themes, the theme set will be Windows. It's the placeholder. But has this bug. I reported this, and Piotr Wozniak doesn't care about this, so sorry about that. Don't use this theme if you use different collections and you want to keep different themes for each collection. Because every time you go to the other collection, the theme will carry over. And you will need to select Windows manually every single time. It doesn't happen if you choose Windows 10 dark, well, something purple, let's say. Then I go to no name, which has the dark one. Nice. I go back, and it keeps it. And it's one of the few that I like because of this degradation. If you use the element data window, it's actually pretty cool. So, turns out, because of this bug, if you don't want to manually select every single time, make your life easier, and choose any other theme other than Windows. Tiny detail, but could be problematic. See you incrementally.